These two rivers look completely different, and the reason comes down to a single number. It's called pH, and it decides whether water gives life or destroys it. Let's break down exactly what pH is and why it matters. By the end of this video, you'll understand what pH actually measures, how the pH scale works, why aquatic life depends on it, and how scientists test it in the field. Let's start with the basics. pH is a measure of how acidic or basic water is. More precisely, it measures the concentration of hydrogen ions in the water. The more hydrogen ions, the more acidic the water. The fewer, the more basic, or alkaline it becomes. The scale runs from 0 to 14. 7 is neutral, that's pure water. Anything below 7 is acidic, like lemon juice or battery acid. Anything above 7 is basic, like baking soda or bleach. And here's the key detail most people miss. The scale is logarithmic. Each step is 10 times stronger than the last. Water at pH 5 is 10 times more acidic than pH 6 and 100 times more acidic than pH 7. So why does this matter? Because living things are extremely sensitive to pH. Most fish and aquatic organisms survive only within a narrow band, roughly 6.5 to 8.5. Push outside that range and their bodies can't function. Gills get damaged, eggs fail to hatch, entire populations collapse. Human activity shifts pH in dangerous ways. Industrial discharge, mining runoff, and acid rain can turn a healthy lake acidic. And there's a hidden multiplier. As pH drops, toxic metals like aluminium and lead dissolve more easily into the water, poisoning everything downstream. Drinking water that's too acidic corrodes pipes and can leach metals into what you drink. Too basic, and it tastes bitter and leaves scale. That's why treatment plants constantly monitor and adjust pH. Measuring pH is simpler than you'd think. The quickest method is a pH strip. Dip it in, and it changes color to match a chart. It's cheap, but only approximate. For accuracy, scientists use a digital pH meter, which uses an electrode to read the hydrogen ion activity and give a precise number to a tenth of a decimal. One pro tip: pH meters must be calibrated with buffer solutions before every use, or the readings drift. Getting this wrong is the most common mistake in water testing. So to recap, pH measures how acidic or basic water is, on a logarithmic scale from 0 to 14. Most aquatic life needs 6.5 to 8.5. Human activity can dangerously shift it, and we measure it with strips or a digital meter. If this made pH click for you, subscribe. We're building a complete series on every water quality parameter. Next up, dissolved oxygen and why fish suffocate in warm water. I'll see you there.